Hi and welcome everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to change primary color in Parler on your Android device. So let's go to Parler. Wait for a while. Okay, now we are in the feed. Let's go to the menu. You open it by tapping on these three dashes in the top left corner. Then pick Settings and Privacy. Tap on this primary color thing, and now using this little window you can choose the primary color of your application. Let's go with this blue looks great. And now just click on this arrow right there. Okay, and as you can see, the application now has a new primary color, and that's how we change primary color on Parler. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Goodbye.